Students, in this class, we will learn about custom formatting. Now, imagine we have got a number like this, 3.14352, and I'm going to click enter. Now, this is an approximate value for pi. Let us assume that this is not the exact value for pi, an approximate value for pi. Now, when I press Ctrl 1 and go to custom formatting, if I were to click on general, whatever I type in, that number would be reflected. Now, instead of general, if I were to go to say 0, the next formatting, and I type here 0.0. Now, in this particular format, there are two parts, one to the left of the decimal and the other to the right of the decimal. Now, in this case, if I were to click OK, just see what happens to this number. It becomes 3.1. So, in this particular format, we have just allotted one place before the decimal and one place after the decimal. Now, if I were to increase it, say 2 places after the decimal, and click OK, the same number gets changed as 3.14. So that is how the formatting works. So no matter what we give in as the data for this particular cell, the format that we have specified will take over. So in this case, if I were to click say 0.00 and say OK, you see that automatically a 0 is being placed before 3. Now let's go still further. In custom formatting, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have 0.000. So this is the specification I'm giving. So if I were to click OK, I'm getting this value. Now go to the formula box. This is the value that I've given. I've given 3.14352. But permitted values, the specification for this is 0.000. So after the decimal 3 digits, before decimal 3 digits. So that's why 1435 is rounded to 144. So that is the first type that you will have to know. So the idea is no matter what you're giving, so suppose if I were to give 5.2 and click enter, and if I were to go to Ctrl 1 and go to custom formatting and go to 0 and have a format like this 0.00 and say enter, you see that 5.2 is now placed as 0005.20. You understand what I'm saying? So that is how powerful number formatting is. No matter what we give into the cell, though the original value is still there at the back end, but the displayed value to the user follows the format specification that we give to the data.